Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Julia and today we're gonna talk about creating presentation in Canva. I'm gonna show you some features that you can use when you create presentations in Canva and some of the functions that this editor has. So let's start. So this is the main page of canva.com. And as you can see, I have a free plan. And also, if you want to use more features, more professional functions, you can use Pro plan and also Teams plan. I will show you the basic functions that it has when you don't have any paid plan. What we can create or edit in Canva. This is some docs, whiteboards, social media, some designs for social media, videos, and another designs. And today we're gonna talk about presentations. Okay, when we open the presentations tab, we have different options. For example, presentation 16 to 9, talking presentation, also mobile first presentation, and so on. Let's see what we can edit or create in presentation 16 to 9. We need to choose this option. And when you choose it, you will have a blank presentation. So click. Okay. Now we can see the first slide of your presentation and it's blank. It's only white background and nothing else. What we can edit? We can choose one of the templates that Canva has. For example, like this one, portfolio, business proposal, and so on. There are a lot of different templates in Canva actually. And as you can see, the most of them are free. It means that you can use it without paying anything. And if you see this icon, it means that this template is available only if you have Pro plan. Okay, let's choose one of the templates that is free. For example, let's choose this one, digital marketing. We need to click on the template and we can see all the mock-ups of different slides, like in PowerPoint or Keynote, Apple Keynote editor. You can use one of the mock-up of slides. For example, let's choose this one. This is the title slide. We need to click on it, and as you can see, now we have our first slide with this mockup. We can edit the text, the images, maybe the videos, anything that you want. If you want to edit the text, you need to click right here. You can see these boards. It means that you will choose this text block. Let's click here, digital, and double click. And we need to write something, for example, my title. As you can see, all the styles are already applied to your text. My title, and this one, let it be second title or maybe subtitle. Okay, then we need to add one more slide. If you want to add another slide, you need to click right here on this plus, and you can see another slide that is already in our presentation. Then we need to choose one of the mock-ups. For example, let it be this one, and you can edit this as the first slide. You need to just write something that you want. Again, my title. That's it. If you want to design your slides with your own styles, you need to just add another slide and you can edit the background. For example, you can choose one of these colors. Let's choose this one, and you can add another elements. What do you need to do if you want to add another elements? You need to open one of the tabs. For example, let's choose this tab, text, and you just need to choose one of the designs of the text. Let's choose this one. We need to click on it, and it's on our slide. If you want to edit this block, you need just to click here and write what you need. Subtitle again. Okay. If you want to replace it, you need just click and just drop down somewhere. That's it. If you want to choose, for example, images or figures, you need to choose another tab. For example, you want to add images. You need to choose this tab, elements. And then you need to scroll to photos, see all. These are the images that you can add to your presentation. Most of them are free also, and some of them, of course, available only in Pro plan, but I don't see them now. Let's choose one of them, for example, this one. And that's it. You need only click on it and it will be added to your slide. That's it. If you want to add, for example, video, you need to choose another tab, videos, and choose one of the videos like this one. We can resize it and also we can replace it right here. So that's it. Okay, one of the questions that you might ask, is it available to add my own images or my own videos? Yes, of course. Let's add another slide. And if you want to add one of the your own elements like images or videos, you need to go to tab Uploads. And here it is. These are images that I already uploaded recently. And if I want to use it in my presentations, I just need to click on one of the images, for example, like this. And that's it. And as you might notice, if you used some of the pictures or videos at least once, you can use it also in your future projects. You don't need to upload your files every time you create new project. I mean, every time when you create your presentation, like in PowerPoint. In PowerPoint, when you want to use some files, you need to upload it in every project that you create. And Canva is very useful because of this feature. I think this is one of the coolest features that Canva actually has. There are some features that are actually very interesting and it's like life-changing hacks. Let's see some of them. Let's add another slide and we need to go to the tab called Apps. And you can see here a lot of different apps like QR code. You can add it to your slide, and when you will show your presentation, your audience can only take a picture and read your QR code. You can also add YouTube video. You don't need to download videos from YouTube and upload it right here to Canva. You only can add this block like YouTube, use, and that's it. You can choose one of the videos that YouTube has. As you might notice, when you chose YouTube app, it was added to this panel of different tabs. Let's see another apps. We can choose, for example, Google Maps. I think this is one of the coolest features that Canva has. You can choose Google Map, and what you need to do is just to choose the map and it will be added to your slide. That's it. You don't need to create some screenshots from anywhere from the website of Google Maps or something like this, and you can resize it, you can replace it, anything that you want. It's actually a really cool feature. You need to download your presentation to show it somewhere, like in PDF format or PowerPoint format. You can click on the share button and choose the format of your file. Download, and this is it. This is the type of file that you need to choose, like PDF standard, PNG, JPG, and so on. That's it. So this is my short tutorial about Canva, about creating presentations in Canva. If you have any questions, you can write it in the comments, and you can find the link for 1 month of Pro plan in Canva in the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and press the like button if you want to watch more videos about creating presentations and management tools and apps.